Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're putting the MSI Thin 15 to the test. This laptop promises a blend of performance and portability, which is a tempting combination for many users. Let's see if it delivers on that promise. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. Right out of the box, the MSI Thin 15 makes a strong first impression. The all-aluminum chassis feels premium and sturdy, which is essential for a laptop that's designed to be taken on the go. The sleek, minimalist design is visually appealing and doesn't attract unnecessary attention. The 15.6-inch IPS panel is a decent size for both productivity and entertainment. While it doesn't boast the highest resolution or color accuracy in its class, it's perfectly adequate for most users. Viewing angles are good and the display gets sufficiently bright for indoor use. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty performance. Equipped with an Intel Core i5-124508 processor, 8GB of RAM, and a 512GB NVMe PCIe Gen 4 SSD. The Thin 15 positions itself as a capable machine for everyday tasks and even some light gaming. CPU: the Core i5 12th generation handles daily workloads like browsing, document editing, and video conferencing with ease. It can also hold its own in more demanding tasks like photo editing and video rendering, but don't expect it to compete with high-end processor for content creation powerhouse. RAM 8GB is generally sufficient for most users, but if you're a heavy multitasker or plan to run resource-intensive applications, you might find yourself wanting more. Upgrading to 6GB of RAM would be a worthwhile investment. SSD Gen 4 is a standout feature. Boot times are incredibly fast and applications load in a snap. This significantly enhances overall system responsiveness and user experience. As for gaming, the RTX 2050 GPU can handle eSport titles and older games at respectable settings. Don't expect to max out the latest AAA games, but it's perfectly capable for casual gamers or those who prioritize portability over raw gaming power. A laptop's performance is only as good as its ability to cool itself efficiently. The MSI Thin 15 generally keeps temperatures under control during everyday use. However, under heavy load, the fans do ramp up and the laptop can get noticeably warm. While it doesn't throttle excessively, it's something to be aware of if you plan on pushing the hardware to its limits. Battery life is a mixed bag. On lighter workloads like web browsing and document editing, you can expect to get around 5 to 6 hours of use. However, demanding tasks like video editing or gaming will drain the battery much faster. It's definitely not a laptop you rely on for all-day unplugged productivity. The keyboard is comfortable to type on with decent key travel and satisfying key press. The backlight is a practical addition for low-light environments. The trackpad is smooth and responsive with accurate gesture support. It's not the largest trackpad I have used, but it gets the job done efficiently. As mentioned earlier, the all-aluminum build quality is impressive. The laptop feels solid and well constructed, and it should be able to withstand the rigor of daily use. So, is the MSI Thin 15 worth considering? It depends on your specific needs and prioritize. If you're looking for a stylish portable laptop that can handle a mix of work and play without breaking the bank, the Thin 15 is definitely worth checking out. The build quality is excellent, the performance is solid for most users, and the design is appealing. However, if you prioritize top-tier gaming performance, long battery life, or larger display, you might want to explore other options. Overall, the MSI Thin 15 is a competent and well-rounded laptop that offers good value for its price. So if you have any question to ask me, let me know in the comment below, and don't forget to click like and subscribe, and yes, share my video too if you like it. Bye.